Good morning. Well, probably afternoon at this point, but sunny day out. Beautiful. Appreciate the car. Man, looking good. Let's get in the car. Yeah. Alright, so today is going to be kind of all over the place. We're going to go work on the Mini. I researched the code and I have a pretty damn good idea of what it is. So we're going to go do a few things to it and hopefully see that's what's wrong. If it is, score. If it's not, timing chain teardown. So let's get it. Alright, so we're on the window. As I said, I researched YouTube the p0014 code, well, p0014, p0017 code, and they all came up with either the oil valve control module, which I guess controls timing on the Minis, or it needs oil or oil change. So we're going to do the lower part, and we're going to go put oil in it. We're going to check the oil and see how it looks. If it looks good, then we're going to go with the next version, which is the sensor, which I can get 2 of them for 75 bucks. So that's kind of the deal. So I don't know. Hoping that that's what it is. As far as the Lancer, I haven't gotten any bites other than I'll give you 1270, I'll give you 900, I'll give you a low ball, nothing good. So I don't know what to do with the Lancer other than just scrap it. Yeah, I may just run it through auction again. I don't know. Oh yeah, and yesterday I went to Home Depot and picked up a bunch of these little mini hose clamps, $1.88 each, and I put hose clamps on every single part that I touched. So I have now no vacuum leaks. Even ones that I didn't think were leaking. So I tightened everything up, and this thing runs so much better. So much better, 100%. Oh yeah, on a side note, somebody said that they could beat me in the dark with their Subaru Forester. It's like a 2005, 2006. I mean, it's got different turbo, STI, I think it's like STI turbo, STI intercooler, but I don't know, I think this thing is lighter. I want to race him just to see where I'm at. He keeps making excuses. Oh well, I've got to change tires, I've got to do this, I've got to do that. I don't know. What do y'all think? Think I stand a chance? Alright. Of course, the Lancer. Does it look like somebody tried prying the door? I'll try to figure that out. Box. Solo Z Rally. And but this is what we're trying to work on today. I'm going to get the keys, and hopefully the issue is just oil, and we can start doing fun stuff. Alright, the Mini Cooper check the oil. So this is bank 1 sensor. This is the other sensor that they were talking about. And then back here is the other sensor. But I have a feeling it's the oil. Because look at the oil. It's pretty gross. Definitely has not been changed in a while. Valve cover's leaking. Okay, that's typical. So they say that this is the common issue. These things are weird. Put the key in like that and then push start. Yeah, put on the brake. Still got to figure out what this light is. The seatbelt looking light. Window switch is down here. For that one, which is weird. Window switch for that one. Yeah. Passenger airbag is off. What is up? Alright, just got my oil changed. It cost me $100, but they said the oil was pretty dark, so I'm hoping that with that, drive it around a little bit, and then I'll reset the code, and hopefully that was the problem. If that is the problem, score. Alright, got the oil change done. Code's still there, but I need to clear the codes, reset it, and then take it for a drive. But I think it feels a little bit smoother. So, you remember where it is? Nope. Up. 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 There you go. Should be right in the middle. Or it should be right over here. There's like and then it's got a little flap. This is a mini engine. Okay, so if the oil change didn't cut it, then it's this sensor right here. If that's not the sensor, it could be right here. If it's not that one, then it's the one in the very, very back. So 3 sensors that are called the culprit, but I'm hoping that those 2 are it.
And when you do that, I can watch the check engine thing.
Hey, they even put windshield wiper fluid in.
Nice.
Sweet.
I can check the check engine light while you do that. While you check
I'm
the
not
code.
doing
You do the
sensors.
codes.
I'm not doing codes. So go to the trunk of the Dodge, and in the black bag is my code reader and battery box. Trying to teach him about cars. He's more of a video game head kid. But all in all, guys, I think once I reset the code, I'm going to clean up the headlights because they're fogged. I'm going to replace those with something better. I am going to order new of these, give it a good bath, and yeah, give it a good bath, and then this thing will be ready to go. Alright, Matthew's going to hold the camera while I go down and plug this in.
The look-sees.
Yeah.
And it's in park, so I don't have to worry about nothing. Find it?
Yep.
Auto link.
Okay, so p0014. I'm going to erase the code. Yes.
Oh, check engine.
Okay, turn it off.
Gone.
Yep. Turn it off. Unplug this. Hold on.
Oh.
Didn't tell you to turn it off.
You did.
No, I said turn. It's off. I didn't say turn it off. It's fine. Okay, now I just gotta take it for a drive. What is up, everybody? Do a little lift, and then gonna go work on the Mini. It's early. All right, get a little bit of lift with Matthew and the Mini. Let him start it up.
Ready?
Put on the brake. And then push start.
Ready?
Yep. Okay, gotta warm them up for a minute. Got all the got the window cleaned up. Now all I gotta do is clean the headlights. We're going to take it for a drive and make sure that the light doesn't come on. As long as the light don't come on, we'll be good to go. It'll be nice. So, alright, let's go for a little ride. Alright, so made all the way out to the Troutdale Walmart, no issues. I now have it in manual sport mode, so we're going to check out the paddle shifters and make sure that works. So, shift second, third, back in a second.
Ooh, Starbucks.
The nice thing is this thing actually keeps the gear, doesn't switch for you. So, get back on the freeway and see what this thing will do.
Hear that baby purr, hear that baby purr.
This sounds pretty damn good.
Mm-hmm.
So this is a 6-speed automatic transmission. It shifts great. I think it's a win. Did an oil change, cleaned up the filter. This thing gets up and hauls ass. Alright, so I guess now let's find a Mini Cooper store or Mini Cooper dealership, because I found out what that light is. It is the passenger seatbelt weight sensor. If it goes out, that means all the airbags from the passenger side do not go out. Alright, so Matthew looked up what, Mini Cooper Portland?
Yep.
So that's where we're headed now.
It's a dealership, so.
Oh yeah. They have a service center, so maybe I'll talk to somebody about the light and how to fix it if it's not under warranty. So that'll be nice. Yeah. So far this thing's run like a champ though. An easy fix was an oil change. Of course, now I've found out that I have some other cosmetic stuff like the sun visor on both.
They don't have it hinged or hinged.
The mirrors are broken, so I gotta fix that. Little by little, but that's all eBay stuff.
Mine's just the cover.
Yeah, mine's a whole thing.
In 2 miles, keep left onto I-5 south towards Salem.
Oh, maybe. Holy, I actually fixed it. Huh. Fixed mine a little bit.
Alright, so we're at the Mini Cooper of Portland. not real enthused about the price of fixing the seat. $900. So I am going to do some more research to see what else I can do to fix it and make it work. And yeah, there'll be an update on the next video. But for now, the only light is the seatbelt light. Matthew is bugging to.
It works.
I know it works. I've already tested it. That's it. And then if you want this open, this slides open.
Now there's thing in the back.
Yep.
But I don't know
So
how to.
everything seems to work all right, other than the passenger airbag, which is this light here. So I have to do some more research and see what I can't find out. But for now, thanks for watching. Really appreciate you guys, and see you on the next video.
Bye bye.
I know I said that my last one was all, but went out to Matt's and have some good news. I'm gonna order a passenger seat, $110, and then get the seat code reset, and then everything will be perfect. Car's in great condition. Clean it all up, wash it, list it, $4 grand. So this one's kind of an all over the place, but it's worth it if you watch it. If you stuck to the end, I appreciate it. Yeah, even the doggy says thank you. Thank you for watching.